ModuleWorks is a software company serving the manufacturing industry. And today I will talk about how ModuleWorks partners and serves the CNC machining companies and control makers. As you know, since 50 years, CNC machines have the architecture of a CNC control running hardware in the same architecture. So the architecture of a CNC machine 50 years back and today are very similar. What happened in these 50 years? The machine tool vendors and control makers put great efforts to make the machines more accurate, more powerful, more efficient, more reliable. So that has been achieved, and it has been a tremendous credo to all the people, all the engineers work very hard to get there. But now we hear from the market that a lot of times the machines are not utilized at the extent they should be utilized, because now it's the time to increase the productivity of the people running these machines. So there is not much more you can get from increasing the productivity of the machines. Now it's time to increase the productivity of the people. And that's only possible if the software embedded into CNC machines can help the people to program the parts faster and giving reliable answers, catching mistakes, collisions. All these things are called digitalization. And that's where ModuleWorks as a software company fits in. We work with hardware manufacturers to embed very sophisticated and powerful software into their machines to generate value, such the CAM users and the CNC machinists running these machines can be more productive. The picture we would like to see is not one person running one machine, one person maybe running 5 machines, and the machines running round the clock. That's the journey we are in, and we would like to help the CNC machine tool producers and the control makers to get there faster.